Wheels monster truck spotted on Monster Island. We go to sports.
The Hot Wheels monster trucks are competing in a downhill tournament, but they'll have to avoid some hairy, scary obstacles to see who will win. Ready? Let's go!
Round 1. Mega Rex versus Hot Wheels Racing number 1. Go big, go Hot Wheels!
Hot Wheels Racing with a hyperspeed smash! Let's see that again! He'll be dinosaur in the morning. Hot Wheels Racing finishing strong.
Round 2. Tiger Shark versus V8 Bomber. Go big, go Hot Wheels!
Tiger Shark getting a little close for comfort. We're neck and neck as we head to the finish line, and V8 hangs on to win. Oh, tough one.
Round 3. Scorcher versus Battle Axe.
We have a battle between two pickups here.
Go big, go Hot Wheels!
Tires flying everywhere. That's gotta hurt. And Scorcher burns his way into the semifinals.
Round 4. Hot Wheels Racing number 3 versus Bone Shaker. Go big, go Hot Wheels!
Oh, look out! Oh, he's out. He's done. What a flip! Wow, what an amazing qualifier. Let's move on to the semifinal. Round 5.
V8 Bomber versus Hot Wheels Racing number 1.
This is a race to see which truck will go to the finals.
Go big, go Hot Wheels!
Bad time to take a nap.
Round 6. Scorcher versus Bone Shaker. Go big, go Hot Wheels!
Oh my! Incoming. We'll see him in the finals. Amazing race!
Uh-oh. Championship! Hot Wheels Racing number 1 versus Scorcher.
Here we are at the grand finale to determine who will be the downhill champion.
Go big, go Hot Wheels!
Missing the boulder and blasting through the tires and over the bridge. Oh, Scorcher flips over, but he recovers. They're neck and neck almost to the finish line, and Hot Wheels Racing is our winner. What a win. Wow, what an exciting event. Big congrats to our winner, Hot Wheels Racing number 1, and stay tuned for more Hot Wheels monster truck competitions in this tournament of Titans.
Welcome back to Monster Truck Island. We're at the volcano cliff to see some of the greatest monster trucks compete in a downhill competition. The downhill slope leads right into the breakaway jungle walls through the steam geysers. And their last obstacle, the lava pit full of hot magma. And the winner gets the coveted monster truck trophy. Let's go! Race 1. Skeleton Crew.
Go big, go Hot Wheels!
Both trucks flick their way down the volcano and Skeleton Crew tumbles to victory. Make no bones about it, Skeleton Crew boosted over the lava pit and took first. Bone Shaker Evil Goblin. Scorcher. This is Bone Shaker Evil Goblin's first appearance in the Tournament of Titans.
Go big, go Hot Wheels!
Oh, Evil Goblin scorched at the end. Let's see that again. Bone Shaker can't take the heat and careens off the course as Scorcher takes the win. Hotweiler Toxic. Pure muscle. I absolutely love this version of Hotweiler with the toxic wheels.
Go big, go Hot Wheels!
Pure muscle refuses to quit. Hotweiler losing it over the geyser, but Pure Muscle power jumps over the lava and through the finish line. Shark Reek Toxic. Racing number 3.
Go big, go Hot Wheels!
That was so cool. We have to take a closer look. With the lead over the geysers, Hot Wheels Racing number 3 hits the ramp in a wheelie. The momentum sends those wheels forward, giving us a flip over the lava of epic magnitude.
Jumping jellyfish!
Zombie Rex. Hound Hauler.
Go big, go Hot Wheels!
Hound Hauler smokes Zombie Rex at the steam geyser and hauls itself over the finish line. Hound Hauler with a steamy jump over the geyser and it barely makes it over the lava. Roger Dodger. Torque Terror Down Derby.
Go big, go Hot Wheels!
Oh. Torque Terror Demo Derby standing upright for the win! They both somersault fender over fender, but it's Torque Terror Demo Derby who bounces right over the lava pit to take the victory. Leopard Shark. Motosaurus. Now here's a race between two animal vehicle hybrids.
Go big, go Hot Wheels!
Motosaurus got some huge air. Let's take a closer look. Motosaurus hits the slope perfectly with all 4 wheels making contact with the ramp at the same time. The even balance from the top of the slope through the jump allows for the best speed and angle to catch big air at the end. That's a perfect 10 if you ask me. Four-wheel hive, category 5.
Go big, go Hot Wheels!
Category 5 takes the lead and storms on through to the finish. Four-wheel hive buzzes down the track, but unfortunately flies straight into the liquid magma. Skeleton Crew. Scorcher.
Go big, go Hot Wheels!
Scorcher in the lead, but loses steam over the lava jump. What a finish! Both trucks clear the jungle, pass through the steaming geysers, and make the lava jump. But Skeleton Crew edges out Scorcher for the win. Moving on to the quarterfinals. Pure Muscle. Hot Wheels Racing number 3.
Go big, go Hot Wheels!
Ooh, Hot Wheels Racing number 3 taken by the jungle walls. A flip and a fail from Hot Wheels Racing number 3 straight into the steam geyser, and Pure Muscle moves on. And let's see that again. Torque Terror Demo Derby disappears in the jungle walls. And Hound Hauler flips to victory. Motosaurus, Category 5. Here we are in the last quarterfinal race.
Go big, go Hot Wheels.
Category 5 dissipates before making landfall, and let's see that again. It's a tight race through the steam geyser, but Category 5 loses momentum at the lava jump. Motosaurus evades extinction and moves on to the semis.
Yum.
Skeleton Crew, pure muscle.
Go big, go Hot Wheels.
Pure muscle wipes out, and Skeleton Crew blasts through to the finish. Pure muscle makes a pit stop for a facial as Skeleton Crew cruises on through to the finish line. Hound Hauler, Motosaurus.
Go big, go Hot Wheels.
Whoa! Let's take a look at that again. Hauler took an early lead but takes a tumble, and Motosaurus comes from behind to steal the win. Looks like Hound Hauler got caught in some serious lava slime doo-doo.
Yum.
Skeleton Crew versus Motosaurus. Now we're at the finals of the Tournament of Titans. It's the last race of the tournament, and it's bound to be a great one.
Go big, go Hot Wheels.
Incredible! Motosaurus through the finish. And let's see that again. Look at the strategy by Motosaurus. Not one, not two, but 5 flips into the finish line. Motosaurus is the winner of the Monster Trucks Trophy. Well, folks, thanks for joining us at this tournament. Wait, what? It's a bonus round free-for-all. The Hot Wheels cars are taking on this course built for monster trucks. I have got to see that again. And look at these ginormous monster trucks. Can they actually make it down the volcano? Yes, they can. Wow, those wheels are big. That's all we have for today, folks. Congrats again to Motosaurus for winning today's Monster Trucks Trophy. Stay tuned for more epic races in the Tournament of Titans. We're here at Monster Truck Island as cars and trucks go head-to-head in this epic downhill competition. Let's see that track. Trucks and cars will race down this ramp. The first to land in the trophy wins the race. But wait, there are exploding and falling tracks along the way. Let's see who can take home the ultimate trophy. Let's go! Race 1. Abysmal. Bigfoot. Hot Wheels 50 concept. Hot.
Go big, go Hot Wheels.
Abysmal gets to the trophy first and sends the cars into the abyss below. Race 2. Pure Muscle Demo Derby. Steer clear. Twin Mill. Sand Moor.
Go big, go Hot Wheels.
Steer clear takes it. Pure Muscle Demo Derby and the other cars get demolished as Steer Clear steers its way to victory and on to the next round. monster truck. Local pump. Hot car. Hologram.
Go big, go Hot Wheels.
Local Punk breezes on through, and let's see that again. The Hotweiler monster truck gets tripped up, and the other cars get flipped up. And Loco Punk moves on to the next round. Race 4. Hooligan. How long? I believe. Crescendo.
Go big, go Hot Wheels.
Oh my goodness, Hooligan, I Believe, and Crescendo are bounced into oblivion as Hound Hauler races to the trophy first. I guess it shows that being a hooligan doesn't pay off, kids. Race 5. Hot Wheels Police. Dairy Delivery. Hot Wheels Armor Check. Zero.
Go big, go Hot Wheels.
Hot Wheels Police flipped off the track by Armored Truck, and let's take another look. Whoa! This race came to a showdown between Police and Armored Truck, but Armored Truck took this victory to the bank. Winners advance. Now on to the next round. The ocean breeze and calming waves were nice, but these trucks need a challenge. We're moving from the beach to the desert. Hot Wheels Delivery. Desert on Monster Truck Island is scorching, but these trucks can take the heat. Let's go! Race 6. Mega Rex. 5-alarm car. Croc Rod. 5-alarm monster truck.
Go big, go Hot Wheels.
Mega Rex dinosaurs past the other cars. And if you take a look here, Croc Rod eats the dirt, and Mega Rex is our first winner in the desert. Race 7. Hot Wheels Racing number 1. Rising Heat. Roaster. Hot Wheels Racing number 1 somersaults off the track while Battle Axe slices through the competition. Hot Wheels Racing number 1 loses control and tumbles off the track at the hands of Battle Axe. Race 8. All beefed up. Invader. Muscle Bound. Bone Shaker.
Go big, go Hot Wheels.
Would you look at that? The cars get wedged at the top, sending Muscle Bound straight to the cup. Muscle Bound sets off the flipper and enters the Victory Cup, lowering the track and sending Invader on a desert excursion. Race 9. Roger Dodger. V8 Bomber. Too tough. Exotic.
Go big, go Hot Wheels.
Monster Truck slips and slides down the track, and V8 Bomber takes it. Let's take a look at this instant replay where Roger Dodger just can't seem to stay on the track. It's too bad he can't dodge the flipper, which sends him flying. Race 10. Smash Squash. Chassis Snapper. Carbonator. Mach Speeder.
Go big, go Hot Wheels.
It's a sprint to the victory with Smash Squatch taking the cup. Smash Squatch absolutely dominated Chassis Snapper down the final ramp and made it to the trophy first. He smashed his way to that victory. Winners advance. Let's pack up the downhill race and go and head to the jungle for the semifinals. We're down to 10 competitors to see who will take home the Monster Trucks Trophy. Who will win? Semifinal 1. Abysmal Mega Hot Wheels Armor Truck Muscle Bound. It's 2 Hot Wheels cars and 2 monster trucks in this round. They're all incredible racers, so it's anyone's game.
Go big, go Hot Wheels!
Would you look at that? Abysmal rises up from the abyss to take the win. That means Abysmal will be moving into the finals while the others will be eliminated. Semi-final 2. Steer clear. Loco Punk. Hound Hauler. Nothing but monster truck power in this round. A true battle royale.
Go big, go Hot Wheels!
Hound Hauler makes it to the trophy for the win. As the track gets narrower, Steer Clear is steered right off of it, and then Hound Hauler hits the trigger, flipping Loco Punk into the dense jungle below. Semi-final 3. Battle Axe. V8 Smash Squash! Look at the wheels. These are the biggest and the baddest of the monster truck fleet.
Go big, go Hot Wheels!
Oh no! Battle Axe and V8 Bomber don't stand a chance, and Smash Squatch hangs on by a tread. Battle Axe is first to go. V8 Bomber escapes the flipper, but dropping the track takes him out once and for all. Smash Squatch moves on. Finals. Abysmal. Smash Squash. We've seen some exciting races, and it all comes down to this, the final 3.
Go big, go Hot Wheels!
Abysmal trouncers the competition, and let's see that replay. Hound Hauler can't hang on, and Smash Squatch is ejected from the race. Smash Squatch, more like Crash Splat. And there you have it, folks. Congrats to Abysmal. Wait a second, what's this? It looks like the other trucks want to keep racing, and there's Crash and Connect cars too. Look at that power. Look at that speed! Pure Muscle's got the strength to push his way beyond Invader and 5 Alarm through the Crash and Connect cars and into the Winner's Cup. Not to be outdone, the Hot Wheels cars are getting in on the action too. More cars means more flipping.
Go big, go Hot Wheels!
Boom! These cars are flying. What an amazing tournament we witnessed today. Stay tuned for more monster truck races in this Tournament of Titans. Downhill Race & Go comes with 1 Hot Wheels monster truck and 1 Hot Wheels car. Other trucks and cars each sold separately. Adults assemble. We are back at Monster Truck Island, and this time we are at the site of the Colossal Boulder. Get ready to watch some of the best downhill races by our fiercest monster trucks. As they begin the race, they'll trigger the Colossal Boulder that can knock off any truck. They'll bust through the ping-pong ball boulders, over the rickety bridge, and through the quicksand pit before crossing the finish line. Only one winner will take home the Monster Truck Trophy. It's the Tournament of Titans. Let's go! V8 Bomber, Battle Axe.
Go big, go Hot Wheels!
Oh! Let's take a look at that again. Battle Axe takes a tumble and loses steam before the bridge as V8 Bomber cruises to an easy victory. V8 Bomber passes with flying colors. Loco Punk Toxic Bone Shaker. Take a look at those toxic wheels.
Go big, go Hot Wheels!
Let's take a closer look. Bone Shaker gets tripped up by a ping pong boulder and its forward momentum causes a wicked front flip. As it lands perfectly on all four wheels, it keeps enough energy to finish the race. What a win! All beefed up. Hot Wilder Toxic. These toxic trucks are really cool.
Go big, go Hot Wheels.
Looks like the Colossal Boulder's next victim is all beefed up. In the replay, we see all beefed up uses steam, and Hot Wilder Toxic just won't give up.
Order up.
Hot Wheels Dairy Delivery. Steer clear.
Go big, go Hot Wheels.
Whoa! A double flip just as Colossal Boulder takes out Dairy Delivery. Then Steer Clear takes the clear path to the finish line. Ha ha! That was easy.
Special delivery.
Smash Squash. Wild Streak.
Go big, go Hot Wheels.
Whoa! Let's take a closer look. The Colossal Boulder took out Smash Squatch. Through contact, the energy of the boulder is transferred to Wild Streak without running it over, giving it a boost across the finish line.
Uh-oh.
Pure Muscle Demo Derby. Hot Wheels Police.
Go big, go Hot Wheels.
We'll need a replay for that one. Pure Muscle rips through the Colossal Boulder trap. Hot Wheels Police almost takes the win, but veers off course. Pure Muscle wins and lifts to see another day. Yeah! Hooligan! Wow! Shark Reek Toxic! This toxic version of Shark Reek is radioactive. Oh! Shark Reek tumbles and takes a seat in the rocking chair as Hooligan drives through the finish line. Oh!
Wow, wow! Jumping jellyfish!
Invader! Baja Buster!
Go big, go Hot Wheels.
Baja Buster does his thing and busts through the rock wall, leaving Invader in the dust. And that's the final race of the round of 16.
Awesome!
Moving on to quarterfinals. V8 Bomber, Bone Shaker.
Go big, go Hot Wheels.
Oh! V8 Bomber gets eliminated early as Bone Shaker moves past the bridge, pops a wheelie over the quicksand pit, and onto the semifinals. Don't take life for granted, kids.
Somebody help me, please!
Hot Water Toxic. Steer clear.
Go big, go Hot Wheels.
Oh, boy. In the replay, we see both trucks hit the trigger at the same time, and they both hit the ping pong ball boulders, but Hot Weiler pulls away for the victory. Way to roll.
Oh, no!
Wild Streak. Pure Muscle Demo Derby.
Go big, go Hot Wheels!
Oh, so close! Wild Streak takes the lead, but just misses the finish line, and Pure Muscle steals the victory. Hooligan! Baja Buster! Here we are in the last quarterfinal race. That's what we call a photo finish. Let's take another look. They both make it past the boulders over the bridge, but Baja Buster just edges out Hooligan. They're milliseconds apart. Now we go to the semifinals. Bone Shaker. Hot Wilder Toxic.
Go big, go Hot Wheels!
Wow, what a race! Hot Wilder Toxic burns Bone Shaker at the mini boulders and cruises to the victory. That bridge looks stone cold. Hot Wilder advances.
I'm so high.
Pure Muscle Demo Derby. Baja Buster.
Go big, go Hot Wheels!
Whoa, let's look at that again. We see a huge collision at the colossal boulder, and Pure Muscle can't hang. Now that's what we call rock bottom, folks. Baja Buster moves on to the finals. Hot Wilder Toxic versus Baja Buster. Now we're at the finals. Let's see who gets to take home the trophy. Hot Wilder gets rock and rolled, meaning Baja Buster is our champion. The final race ends with Colossal Boulder deciding the champion. Congrats to Baja Buster for winning today's Monster Trucks trophy. Huh? Looks like everyone wants to get in on the action. 6 monster trucks in one race? What are they thinking? Did you see that? Loco Punk takes that lead. These monster trucks are getting tossed by that colossal boulder. Look at these giant monster trucks. Could they beat the boulder? Oh, yeah. They sure can. We might as well just throw all the cars in there, too. Wow! What a finish! That's all for today, folks. Congrats to Baja Buster for winning today's Monster Trucks trophy. Keep watching for more downhill races from the Tournament of Titans.